In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Zoho CRM. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open your web browser and log in to your Zoho CRM account. Use your usual login details, and once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the central place where you manage leads, deals, and of course, your contacts. Take a moment to let the page fully load so everything is visible and ready to use. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical menu with different modules, such as leads, contacts, accounts, and so on. Go ahead and click on the Contacts tab. This will take you to the Contacts section, where you can see a list of all the contacts that already exist in your CRM. From here, you'll be able to add new ones, search for existing records, or update any information later on. Now, to add a new contact, look towards the top right corner of the Contacts page. You should see a button that says New Contact or has a plus sign and the word New. Click on that button. This will open a new contact form, which is where you'll enter all the details for the person you want to add. On this form, start filling in the contact's information. At a minimum, you'll usually want to enter their name and email address, but it's a good habit to add as much accurate information as you have. Enter their first name and last name, and if they're tied to a specific company or organization, link them to an existing account by choosing the appropriate account name. You can also type in their title or job role, their phone number, and any additional email addresses if needed. If your organization uses custom fields, you might see extra options like region, lead source, or internal notes. Use these fields to capture information that will help your sales or support teams later. The more complete and consistent your data is, the easier it will be to search, filter, and report on your contacts in the future. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the details you've entered, go to the bottom or top of the form and click the Save button to add this contact to your CRM. If you know you're going to add several contacts in a row, you can choose Save and New instead. This will save the current contact and immediately open a fresh blank form so you can keep going without returning to the main list. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a contact in Zoho CRM, and you're ready to build out your contact database more efficiently.